What's up, YouTube? I'm back, and today I'm going to be lubricating a keyboard, taking it apart and everything, because you're coming with me, and it's going to be a boring long ride. Let's get straight into it. Oh my god! Oh, Jesus! Time lapse and podcast go. That's all to start. Why am I doing this? This is going to take 8 years. Alright, I got that first part done here. All keycaps gone, and it's very dirty. I eat way too much around this thing. But yeah, now I'm gonna time lapse taking each individual one of these out, and probably these things too, the stabilizers. This one's broken as well, so I have a replacement for that.
A few moments later.
That took way too long and was way too agonizing. Holy shit, that's gone. That's taken apart. The keycaps are off. Those are off. The stabilizers are off. All the screws. Hopefully I don't fucking lose any. And then we're gonna do that next. Or tomorrow. It depends on if I give up. I don't know. It gets even more tedious. You gotta put each switch in this little box here. And you press down really hard. And it freaking... Oh, shoot. God freaking fucking... There, I did it. See how it's popped open now? Anyway, you take everything apart, right? And you're left with this piece. This is the smallest piece that we're going to do here. Yeah, you get your lube, Yeah, you get your lube, right? Then you lube around the center here. And then you go on the sides. Get the sides as well. I'm being really cautious here. And then you put it back together. It snaps together. I'm not showing you that. I'm bored already. And once it's back together, you can test it in the top. It works. It's 11:30. I fucking lubed them. They've been lubed. That's all the progress for tonight. I'm done. Just gonna pick that up. Gonna grab this and...
Tomorrow.
Date. It's the next day. I still hate myself. It's the next day. I still hate myself. Third day. I'm finishing today. Right, we're back at nighttime again because this is how long this takes. Also, dinner happens. I've got it back together. At least I've reassembled it back to the board itself, and now I'm gonna put it all back in because it does work. All these, let me show that. All these have been lubed and everything. Stabilizers are also back on there. I will show the final product, and then I'm ending this video. Done.